Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 17. The Strange Cow. On the 7th of the month Jafari of the year Shadab 1217, from the birth of Muhammad, while encamped at Salamabad preceding the attack upon the entrenchments of Ramanayar, after the Maghrib prayers, I invoked God in these terms. O God, in the hills the unbelievers of the land of the enemy have forbidden fasting and prayer. Convert them all to Islam so that the religion of thy messenger may gain in strength. In the course of the night and towards the morning I had a dream. It appeared to me that after traversing the forests and high hills, the army of the Ahmadi Sarkari had encamped. On the way and near the place of encampment, I saw a cow with its calf, in semblance like a big striped tiger. Its countenance, teeth, etc., looked like those of a tiger. Its forelegs were like those of a cow. It had no hinder legs at all. Its forelegs were in slight motion, and it was causing injury to the best of its ability. Having closely examined it, I reached the camp and directed several persons to prepare themselves and accompany me. I said to them, God willing, on arriving near this cow which looks like a tiger, I shall with my own hand cut it along with its calf into pieces. Having said that, I reviewed my household stud and gave orders for 2 grey horses to be quickly saddled and brought. At this moment the morning appeared and I woke up. At that very moment, the following interpretation of the dream suggested itself to my mind, that the Nazarenes of the hills are like a cow with its calf with the appearance of tigers, and by the favor of God, and through the felicity and aid of the Prophet, the place mentioned will be reduced with ease and all the irreligious Nazarenes will be slain. The slight motion of the forelegs I interpreted to mean that they would make an attempt to wage war, and the absence of hinder legs indicated that no one would afford them any help, and that no Muslim would receive any injury at their hands. Through the aid of God, be it so. End of Dream 17.